Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can distress your jeans. If you watched my last video, I showed you how you can cut your jeans into shorts. So with these jeans I got from a thrift shop, I believe Value Village. These are just some dad jeans and they're pretty loose, but so I think that I'm going to just do some cuts and distressing. And then if you want to do shorts, you can watch that other video. But basically what you're going to need is some scissors, some ones that can cut through denim, and then some chalk. This is my dog. He wanted to join. His name's Carter. Alright, bye Carter. You're going to take your chalk and decide where you want to make the cuts on the jeans. So I was thinking of doing some distressing here, and then maybe like a cut here would look cute. And I haven't really decided if I want to cut off the bottom and fringe it, but I'll decide later. Make a marking where I want to make the cut. I'm thinking maybe like one there, and one there. Maybe I'll do one right here, and then let's do one right here. You don't want to make it look too symmetrical because then it just looks like you did it on purpose, even though you are doing it on purpose. Okay, and then you take them off and I'll see you in the next one. So now that you have your jeans laid flat on the ground, I forgot to mention that you'll also be needing some tweezers and also a sharp razor blade. Make sure you don't cut yourself, I'm not responsible for that. Where you made your cut, you're going to want to lightly make a little slit. Make sure you don't cut through the second layer as these are pretty sharp. And I'm cutting horizontal. And then I'm gonna make a second cut right above it. And they don't have to be like exactly even if you don't want them to, but this part is gonna be like the stringy part. So now that I have that, I'm gonna go in with my tweezers and start pulling out the blue fibers. So when jeans are woven, there's like strings that go this way and strings that go this way. You want to take the ones that go vertical, and then it leaves you with the diagonal white strings. So I guess it depends what color your jeans are, but these strings aren't blue, they're white as well, just because of this wash. But they start to fray like up here, so you can just kind of pick at it like that. And then eventually you'll get these white strings that go across. And like once you get it going, it's pretty quick. Like, it seems like it's gonna take ages, but it's really not. And these jeans were only $15 compared to like some distressed jeans that are like $300. And then if you find that like it's like a really clean cut and you don't like that, you want it to be more distressed, after you put it through the washer and the dryer, it will fray more. So it'll look even better. I think that I'm gonna make it a little bit wider. You can do that just by making another cut right below it. Don't touch me for my ugly fingernails, I don't want to hear it. So if you're really impatient and you just want to get it done, you can always just start picking at it and just kind of go along like parallel with those lines and just kind of get those other strings loose, and then they just come out easier. And then if you want, you can like leave them there. They might come out in the wash. And then start scratching at the bottom. Okay, so like I said in the last video, I mentioned to take the pockets out, but this time I made the mistake and I didn't take the pockets out, and so I made myself some holes in the pocket, so make sure you take the pockets out. So I made those 2 cuts. You can take the corner of it too and just start scratching at it. It's a quicker way. Oh wow, look at that. We're saving time. Make sure you be careful. And if you're young, ask your mom before using a razor. Don't cut yourself. Okay, so these are the jeans. After distressing them, I made this cut here, a couple here, and some here. And now, like, looking at them, I'm thinking that I might want to add some on the back. I'm thinking maybe like up here would look nice. I just want to try them on before so you can kind of like see how they look before making too many cuts and looking crazy. So I'll make a marking with the chalk. Put one on the pocket. Do one there. Let's do one here. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so since I'm gonna do one on the pocket, I don't wanna go through, so I'm gonna put my hand, or actually not a good idea, I'll put a piece of cardboard behind it. So just grab anything you have on hand. It really doesn't have to be that hard. I just grabbed this from my garbage. Make your cuts, and then one up here. There's already a little cut right here, so I think that I'm gonna make it bigger, just so then we don't have like too many cuts on that side and we have like the odd one over here. So I'm going to do the same thing with this and try them on again. Okay, so this is what the jeans are looking like now, and I think I decided that I want to cut off the bottoms and flare them because they're kind of like, I don't know, they look silly, so I'm gonna fold it once, see how that sits. I'm gonna ride them up to make it fit to my body how I want them to, as if I've been wearing them all day. So I'm gonna make that first fold and make a marking, because I don't want to cut them too short and then not be able to cut more off. So I'm going to make a cut like that and do the same thing on this side. Make sure they're nice and even. Okay, so I'm gonna fold them nice and even, and I have both sides folded up like that. I'm gonna take one leg at a time and just cut along where I made that marking. And I want to do one leg at a time because I don't want to make them uneven by accident or like jagged. And I'd start off lower than you actually want, just in case. you cut off too much, because I've done that lots of times. And then there's no going back. So there's one leg, and then I can just use this as a guideline of where to cut the second one. And then same thing, you're just gonna take your razor, and you could do this, like put a cutting board underneath, but I'm just gonna lay the excess fabric so I don't scratch the floor. And I'm just gonna start going at her. So I'm taking the side of the razor like this, and just going around the edges. You're just gonna keep doing that until you get your desired distressed look. Okay, so if you enjoyed that video, then please like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. If you don't want to, that's fine. But be sure to check out my shorts video. Comment down below if you like these type of videos, because that last shirt that I was wearing, the yellow one, I actually DIY'd cut that into a crop top. I'll see you in my next video.